at the JW Marriott Marco Island Beach Resort, and we're going to show you around the hotel. In this video, we'll show you our room, the restaurants on the property, the various amenities the resort offers, a tour of the pools and beach, and our final thoughts about our stay. First, we'll do a room tour. We stayed in the ocean view room on this trip. It was about 400 square feet, but plenty of room for the two of us. It had a comfortable king bed, smart TV that you can sign into your streaming devices like Netflix on, some seating areas, plenty of storage, and our favorite part was the balcony with views of the Gulf. The bathroom was pretty spacious with double sinks, a walk-in shower, and plenty of toiletries. Next, we'll explore the restaurants on the property. There's Maya, the main breakfast spot that's buffet style, Ario, an upscale steakhouse, Quinn's, a very popular beachfront American and seafood restaurant, Tesoro is adults only and offers a Mediterranean menu. In my opinion, this place has the best views on the property. The 10K Alley is the Dave & Buster's of the property and is certainly going to be your kids' favorite. This restaurant offers American-style food within an arcade, which we'll explore more later. Corrales offers a sushi and cocktail bar at the entrance of the resort. 400 Posies is another popular spot for families looking for a quick meal and offers pizza, salad, and gelato. Following the walkway from 400 Posies, you'll find Kane's Tiki Bar and Grill, a Polynesian restaurant that we had on this trip. We can definitely recommend the Polynesian bowls and pineapple upside down cake. If you come close to sunset, get tables on the beach for front row seats to the fire dance performance. If you're enjoying the video so far or have found this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to Talking Time Zones. Next, we'll explore the amenities. There's many small boutiques to shop at in the main hallway, or if you're looking for something the kids could also enjoy, the arcade is a great place and has a variety of games, mini golf, and bowling. Next, the JW Spa is hugely popular and offers a variety of customizable packages to choose from. Being a spa guest also gives you access to their pool, sauna, and cold plunges. This pool is only for spa guests, so it's generally calm and quiet. Morning meditation and yoga classes on the beach are also available for guests, and if you can't wake up before 7:30, you can always use their private fitness center instead. The main fitness center for guests is pretty comprehensive and surprised me with how much it offered. There was a variety of cardio equipment, strength training machines, and free weights. One of the main events at this resort that happens each night at sunset is the fire dance performance. Definitely get here a little early as they will start promptly at sunset and there's always a crowd. This was a really unique show and I'd recommend it for at least one of your nights here. Next, we'll show you around the pools and beaches at the resort. There are two main pools available to guests. We spent most of our time at Quinn's. It's slightly more geared towards adults, though families are welcome. There's no slide, but there is a whirlpool and the pool doesn't close until 10 p.m. We found that both pools were packed during the day, so we really took advantage of the night swimming. Across from Kane's is a tiki pool, and this will probably be your go-to pool if you're here with your family because it's the only one that has a slide for kids. It does close at sunset though, so a bit earlier than Quinn's pool. Both pools offer covered lounge chairs to relax, and you can also pay to reserve a cabana. I will warn you though that during peak times it can be difficult to get a lounge chair, so make sure to get there early. The private beach access is the highlight of this resort. There's 3 miles of beach, so plenty of space to spread out or have a separate area for events or wedding party. There's also many water activities that you can book like boat tours, banana boats, wave runners, or parasailing. All of these activities can be booked easily online or with the team at the resort. The daily resort fee covers 2 beach chairs and umbrella per day, as well as a morning meditation class, so definitely take advantage of that. You can also rent out a hut for some extra shade and comfort. These are pretty spacious and convenient if you're traveling with your family. You'll also find some games and hammocks around the beach to enjoy while you're there, and of course, you have to set aside time one night to watch the sunset over the Gulf. So our stay has come to an end, but I wanted to share my thoughts on this resort. Of course, the JW is always more of an elevated experience in comparison to other brands, and this resort was no different. The private beach access felt very exclusive, and considering what Southwest Florida looks like during season, I know that this has to be a great option if you're coming during the winter months. The restaurants had a wide variety of food options, as well as price points, and everything we had during our stay was delicious. If this video was helpful to you, please do like it and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.